चला इंग्रजी शिकूया या अंतर्गत आपण ॲक्टिव्हिटी क्रमांक 5 घेणार आहोत। तर आपण 5वी ॲक्टिव्हिटी सादर करावी।
Hello. Good morning. What is your name? My name is Prayas. Prayas, how many eyes do you have? I have 2 eyes. What do you do with your eyes? I see with my eyes. What is your favorite body part? My favorite body part, hand. How many hands do you have? I have 2 hands. What do you do with your hands? I work with my hands. How many ears do you have? I have 2 ears. What do you do with your ear? I hear with my ears. How many nose do you have? I have 1 nose. What do you do with your nose? I smell with my nose. How many legs do you have? I have 2 legs. What do you do with your legs? I walk and run with my legs.
थँक्यू। प्रयास आणि प्रतीकने 5वी ॲक्टिव्हिटी आपल्यासमोर सादर केली आहे। यात आणखी सुधारणा करूया आणि रोज आपण बोलताना अशाच पद्धतीचा सराव आपण करूया। अशा छोट्या छोट्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीमधून छोट्या छोट्या प्रसंगामधून आपल्याला चांगल्या पद्धतीनं इंग्रजी बोलता येणार आहे। ओके।